Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the XTOOL IP919 PRO from XTOOL, their flagship diagnostic tablet loaded with pro-level features, lightning speed, and tech that makes your job easier. Let's see why shops are calling it a game changer. Okay, now let's talk about XTOOL IP919 PRO features. XTOOL IP919 PRO diagnostic scanner for car has been greatly upgraded. Powered by Android 10.0, equipped with 10.1 touchscreen, 8-core processor with 8 plus 128 GB storage, 6,400 mAh 7.2-volt battery, giving you longer battery life, faster speeds, a clearer, sharper screen, and a smoother, more comfortable experience. XTOOL IP919 PRO OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool with full-featured bidirectional controllability can actuate solenoids and actuators for active testing. Send commands to many systems and components to test their working status to help you check if the car actuators are all in good condition, such as radiator fan, throttle, mirrors, interior and exterior lights, sound horn, etc. The IP919 PRO diagnostic scanner gives you the ability to use dealership-level relearn procedures to complete repairs or maintenance. Provides auto VIN detect, ECU coding, ABS bleeding, injector coding, gear reset, SAS reset, TPMS reset, BMS reset, ETS reset, oil reset, brake reset, AFS reset, gearbox, sunroof, SUS reset, and more to fully meet your need. The IP919 PRO car diagnostic scan tool supports ECU coding to recode, reprogram new ECUs, change corresponding parameters, match, learn, code ECU modules, update ECU coordination to stop annoying functions. Unlike Snap-on scanners, the XTOOL IP919 PRO diagnostic scanner offers seamless FCA auto-auth integration for FCA vehicles, for Chrysler, for Dodge, for Jeep, and other 2018 and later models. Bidirectional OBD2 scanner supports CAN FD and DoIP protocols, backing up easy diagnostics for over 100,000 plus models from 1996 onward, continuously expanding with one-touch Wi-Fi updates for 3 years. The IP919 PRO is the ultimate tool for future-proof OBD2 scanner diagnostic tools. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: blazing speed, comprehensive coverage, professional-grade features, wireless convenience, customizable reports. And cons: premium price, learning curve, size and weight. Alright, that's a wrap on the XTOOL IP919 PRO, a tool that's not just about finding problems, but fixing them faster and smarter. If you're serious about diagnostics, this belongs in your arsenal. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more honest, hands-on reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and keep those engines running smooth. I'll see you in the next one.